Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use Viggle AI to generate your motion image. If this is what you're interested to know, you're interested to see this, please do well to stay to the end. Don't click out, because if you click out you will not be able to motion your image. Let's dive into the video. Firstly, first I'm going to open a new tab, go to Google, then I'm looking for Viggle AI, which is this. Then I'm going to open it. So the next thing I'm going to do, this is the interface, where if you want to create any program, you want to create a blog, you want to subscribe to the Viggle AI. If you wish that you want to subscribe, you can as well do that here. The Viggle AI is free, you don't pay. As you can see here, is free. 10 free video daily, 60 generated video duration, then running 3 running jobs at once. So let's dive into the video. I'm going to go back to this video. Then here I have a lot of options: download the app, or go to Google Play. Either you download the app with App Store, or you go to Google Play and download the app. You can also install it in your Android, or you try it on the web, or you join their Discord. If I click on join the Discord, you can see that it have taken me to the Discord page, which is here. It has taken me, this is the Discord page. And please, before you can join the Discord, make sure you have signed up with them, because they're going to ask you some few questions which you are going to answer before you can now join the Discord family. Like here, this is where I am. So the difference between this Discord and this try on web is that this code is going to make your work public, but Viggle AI here is going to make your work private. So I'm going to try it on the web. Then I'm going to sign in with my Google account. Tell it to continue. Okay, continue. So it has bring me into this place. So they have a template here. This template is, I can as well choose any of these video to animate with. Let's see, like this one, I can decide to choose this one or any of them here. If I choose this, I'm going, yeah, it's good that you choose an image that is complete, image that has full video, that have the image that is not cut short. So let's see, let me see this one. There's no action. Okay, let me go for this. So this is it, it's playing. So this is the type of image that you are supposed to choose. Then I can as well upload my file here. So I want to download image, because I don't have an image there. So I'm going to go to Viggle, and here is my picture. So I'm going to look for photos. Then I'm going to type a photo. Okay, so I need to choose the one that stands on its own. Let me use this one and see. So I'm going to download the image. Here that you say you should upload your image. Here you say upload a character image of any size. That is the type of image you're supposed to upload. And it also say, for better results, use a full body photo with a clean background. So image size must not pass 10 MB maximum, and the photo you upload must comply with community rules. To tell background, I want it to be on green screen background, and the model is okay. Sorry, if you want to remove watermark, you have to pay. Then tell it to create. So generated, created, successful. So let's wait. Here they give you opportunity to download the Viggle app. Then you can also upgrade for more. Okay, our video is ready. So let's upload it and see. Let me play it and see. So did you see? Wow, this is beautiful. So I've already uploaded it. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to go to CapCut. It has opened. What I'm going to do is the background I use. Remember that video is on green screen background. So first I have to go to download to bring this image. Open. This is it here. The next thing now is to go back, import this background, open. Then I'm going to bring this as overlay. Then make it to be the same length with this. Then in this one, I'm going to remove the background with Chrome key. The background is removed. Then I can as well decide to reduce this. Firstly, I'm going to remove this audio so that we will not have copyright on the video. I have my own audio. I can now upload my own audio that I downloaded from YouTube Studio. Place it here so that to avoid copyright. So I'm going to make it to be the same length with this. I'm increasing this side here so that it will enable me to see what I'm doing very well. Okay, reducing it back. Let's play it. I do that so that to avoid YouTube copyright. Let's play it and see. Thank you for watching, and this is Create with Alice. Please do wait to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and see you in my next video. Bye.